Pharmacists play a crucial role in attainment of optimum healthcare as a team's expert on medication use. Their extensive knowledge on drugs provides an edge on prevention of any medication error in the future. Introducing the role of the pharmacist as counselor to the patients will surely exemplify the part in which they will contribute to the better treatment of the patient. So now, let's do the Patient Counseling 101. First, ask if the patient have time to discuss the situation.
Good evening po. Can I help you?
Good evening, miss. May gusto lang po sana ako malaman tungkol sa gamot na ito, isosorbide dinitrate.
Gusto niyo pong pag-usapan natin tong gamot niyo? Pasok po kayo sa office.
Second, identify yourself as a patient counselor and ask what the patient wanted to know.
Okay, sir. Ako po si Ali, registered pharmacist on duty.
Third, ask about the instructions of the doctor and what the patient know about his condition.
Ang headache po kasi ay isa sa mga side effect ng isosorbide dinitrate. Pwede po bang malaman kung ano po yung sinabi ng doktor nyo?
Fourth, ask if the patient know what his medications are for.
Alam nyo po ba kung para saan tong gamot nyo?
Para sa kirot?
Fifth, advise the patient on how the medication works. Mention the possible side effects or risks that the patient can encounter.
Po, tama. Para sa kirot ng dibdib nyo, itong Isordil ay isang klase ng gamot na nagpapaluwag ng paghinga nyo.
6. Explain the rationale behind the drug used and its side effect and how it can be managed.
Opo, normal po yung sakit ng ulo nyo since hindi lang po yung puso nyo yung natatamaan ng gamot. So ito po, kapag sumasakit po yung ulo nyo, inom po kayo ng paracetamol para ma-manage yung sakit.
7. Ask if the patient know their dosage regimen, otherwise, explain it.
Ganito po yon. Dapat po, inumin nyo po yan nung una ng 3 beses sa isang araw. After that, kailangan nyo pong maghintay ng 14 hours interval bago po kayo ulit uminom ng panibagong 3 beses.
8. Make sure that the patient understand what has been advised and encourage them to ask any other questions they need answers with.
Opo, ganun nga po. Meron po ba kayong gustong malaman?
And lastly, let the patient repeat what he understands throughout the counseling and make sure it's all clear.
So 3 beses ko iinumin sa isang araw yung gamot, tapos 14 hours interval bago uminom uli. Tama?
Opo, tama nga po. And syempre po, bilang consultant nyo, suggestion ko po, tumigil na po kayo sa paninigarilyo para po maiwasan yung komplikasyon na madudulot nito. Pag kumirot po ang dibdib nyo, mas mabuti pong itigil nyo na po muna yung ginagawa nyo at magpahinga. Kapag may nararamdaman pa po kayo, mas makakabuti pong kumonsulta kayo agad sa inyong doktor.
Maraming salamat, Miss Ali. Ang laking tulong po ng advice nyo.
Walang anuman po. Balik po kayo kung may tanong po ulit.